वेलकम माय डियर स्टूडेंट. क्रांतीवीर वसंतराव नारायणराव नाईक शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था नाशिक संचलित माध्यमिक विद्या मंदिर शिवरे तालुका निफाड. I am science teacher Sonia Ariel. My subject is science and technology section first. My guide honorable headmaster Bhavadi K sir. Today's topic is chemical reactions and equations, and subtopic is endothermic and exothermic processes and reactions. Endothermic and exothermic processes, and in endothermic and exothermic processes and reactions, heat is absorbed and given away in various processes and reactions. Processes and reactions are classified as endothermic and exothermic. We see endothermic processes. Heat from outside is absorbed during some physical changes. For example, melting of ice. Second example, dissolution of potassium nitrate in water. These are endothermic processes. Second one is exothermic processes. In exothermic processes, heat is given away during some physical changes. For example, formation of ice from water. Second example, dissolution of sodium hydroxide in water. These are exothermic processes. Next topic, to carry out endothermic and exothermic processes. When taking 100 ml water into plastic bottles, plastic bring insulator of heat. The dissipation of heat can be prevented. At that time, note the temperature of water in bottles. Initially, put 5 gram potassium nitrate KNO3 in the bottle and shake well. Then note the temperature. Put 5 grams sodium hydroxide NaOH in other bottle and shake the bottle well. Then note the temperature. The processes of dissolution of these two bottles took place. As a result, dissolution of potassium nitrate in water is endothermic processes, while the dissolution of sodium hydroxide is exothermic processes. Endothermic and exothermic process reactions. During exothermic chemical reactions, heat is given away when reactants are transformed into the products. For example, CaO solid plus H2O liquid to form CaOH twice in aqueous state plus heat, means calcium oxide in solid state plus H2O in liquid is equal to calcium hydroxide in aqueous state plus heat, which is exothermic chemical reactions. During endothermic chemical reactions, heat is either absorbed from the surroundings or has to be supplied continuously from outside. For example, CaCO3 solid plus heat is equal to CaO solid plus CO2 gas. Calcium carbonate in solid state plus heat to form calcium oxide in solid state plus CO2 in gaseous state. Thank you.